This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get the spike icon in Brawl Stars. This iconic item is exclusively obtained through a dedicated in-game achievement, not through direct purchase with gems or real money. Understanding this unique path is crucial for anyone aiming to add the spike icon to their collection. We will go through each specific step, ensuring you know exactly what is required to earn this highly sought-after cosmetic. The first vital step involves accumulating a sufficient amount of star points. These are the exclusive currency required for this particular icon, and they are earned primarily through the competitive Power League game mode. Consistent participation and strong performance in these matches will steadily increase your star point balance. Remember, every win brings you closer to your goal, so focus on strategic play and teamwork. To unlock the spike icon for purchase, you must achieve a specific rank in Power League. Specifically, players need to reach at least the Gold 1 tier during a Power League season. This requires dedication and consistent play, as you will face increasingly skilled opponents as you climb. Focus on mastering your brawlers and coordinating with your team to secure those crucial wins and progress through the ranks. After successfully reaching the Gold 1 rank in Power League, the spike icon will become available for purchase in the dedicated star shop. You will need to spend precisely 2,500 star points to acquire it. Navigate to the shop, locate the icon among the other Power League rewards, and make your one-time purchase. Congratulations! At this point, the iconic spike profile picture is officially yours to display proudly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.